The governors and leaders of Southeast condemned the killings in the region and have agreed to join hands with security agencies to stop the killings. The meeting condemned the sit-at-home orders, which are mostly issued by our people in Diaspora who do not feel the pains. In view of the information, the meeting resolved that governors and all the people of the Southeast do everything within the law to ensure that there is no further sit-at-home in Southeast and that people are allowed to freely move about in the zone. The meeting agreed that Southeast Ebubago security outfit be launched in all the Southeast states and laws passed in various Southeast states before the end of 2021. The meeting received the committee report on various matters affecting the Southeast, especially on the issue of security and marginalization of the Southeast people, and resolved to study the reports. The report is from Ohaneze. And resolved to study the reports from the Ohaneze worldwide for immediate implementation and engagement with the federal government for amicable settlement of all issues agitating the minds of our people, especially the youths. The meeting agreed to support security agencies to restore peace in the Southeast. The meeting resolved to support election in Anambra State and directed security agencies to ensure a peaceful election in Anambra State come November 6, 2021. The meeting commended all groups and the clergy for their efforts at interfacing with our youths. The meeting further mandated our clergymen, bishops, archbishops, can, Ohaneze and traditional rulers to continue to dialogue with our youths. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.